Are you searching for a keyboard with high performance and longevity? Then mechanical keyboards might be the right choice for you. A mechanical keyboard uses actual physical switches underneath the keys to let the computer know what key the user selected, which can provide additional tactile and audible feedback to the user and enhance the computing experience. These are some of the best mechanical keyboards available in the market. CORSAIR K95 features Cherry MX speed key switches backed by a lightweight aluminum frame. It has an 8MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback, enabling profile access independent of external software. It delivers dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with virtually unlimited customization. The iconic aircraft aluminum construction now features innovative light edge technology so that you can light up your mission control in spectacular full RGB. Also, you can unleash blistering speed with the durability of gold contact Cherry MX mechanical switches. The Das Keyboard 4 professional mechanical keyboard comes with the combination of tactile feel, the psychoacoustic experience, and incredible craftsmanship. It is available in both the Cherry MX Brown and Cherry MX Blue switches. The soft pressure point switch technology makes it less clicky while providing an excellent tactile experience. With its large volume knob, the users can quickly adjust volume. It also has a blazing fast 2-port USB 3.0 hub to transfer music, high-resolution pictures, and large videos at up to 5 GB per second. Also, it is equipped with laser etched key inscriptions to prevent fading and a custom keycap font to provide ease of reading. The Razer Black Widow X Chroma comes with exposed military-grade metal construction that exudes minimalism and rugged durability. It is designed specifically for gaming, and the switches actuate at an optimal distance, giving you speed and responsiveness like never before. It features individually programmable backlit keys with 16.8 million color options. The stricter requirements are met for each switch, resulting in a lifespan of up to 80 million keystrokes. The Chroma's features are controlled through Razer's Synapse 2.0 software. Also, it delivers both top-notch performance and reliable durability without compromise. The Logitech G Pro holds the first place in the list of best mechanical keyboards. The switches deliver 25% faster actuation than standard mechanical switches, so every key press is nearly instantaneous from fingers to screen. The ultra-portable, sleek, and compact design frees up table space for mouse movement and is easy to pack and transport. Also, it has a detachable micro USB cable featuring a 3-pronged design for a secure connection and safe transport in your travel bag. Also, it provides 87-key anti-ghosting and 26-key rollover for precision control and onboard memory to store your lighting configuration. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.